Hello students, good afternoon to all of you. Today we will discuss about the solution of your science worksheet. In this worksheet, we will discuss about the structure of atom. As you know that atom can be divided into three subatomic particles. As you have studied in class 9th also, these subatomic particles are known as electron, proton and neutron. Here we have to discuss about the electron, proton and neutron. Firstly, we should going to electron. You can find here electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson and it is represented by the symbol E. Electron revolves around the nucleus of an atom. It contains the negative charge. Now the proton. Proton is discovered by the scientist E. Goldstein and it is represented by the English alphabet P. Proton is present into the nucleus, which is present at the center of atom, and the proton contains the positive charge. Now we should going to the neutron. Neutron is discovered by the James Chadwick. Here you can find that, and the symbol of neutron is N. Actually, neutron does not contains any type of charge, so that the net charge of an atom negative, which is present due to the presence of electron, and the positive, which is due to the proton, both type of charges neglect to each other, and the total charge of an atom will be 0. Neutron is also present into the nucleus. So this is the summary of your worksheet, and now let's begin with the questions of this worksheet. Question number 1 is the fill in the blanks. Here the first question is the charge on proton is, so that is positive, right? Now the second question is the charge of on electron is, you should write here negative. Third one is discovered the neutron. So here you should write the name of scientist who discovered the neutron. That was James Chadwick. Right. Now the question number 4 is discovered the neutron. So we find here the electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. That was the fourth fill in the blanks. Right. So uh, we have complete the question number 1. Now we going to question number 2. In this question we complete a table which contains the charge, position and symbol, and here you find that name of subatomic particle. Here firstly we should complete the electron charge. Here we should write negative. Position around the nucleus, or we should write here in the shells around the nucleus. Alright, symbol we should write E minus. Okay, now we're going to second, proton. Proton contains the positive charge. Position at the center or in nucleus. Alright, third one is symbol. Symbol is exactly P, positive. Now we're going to neutron. First question is charge. So we should write here neutron does not have any type of charge, so charge 0. Position in nucleus. Symbol N0. Alright. Likewise, we complete the question number 2. Now we're going to question number 3, which is in which we have the statement. We should write the true and false. The question number 1 is the neutron has positive charge. False. Electron revolve around the nucleus. True. Proton has positive charge. True. Proton and neutron are in the nucleus. True. James Chadwick discovered proton. So that is absolutely wrong, because James Chadwick discovered the neutron. So students, we have finished today's worksheet. Now we will meet tomorrow with a different type of worksheet. Till then, take care. Goodbye.